Welcome to this topic of concatenating column values. I hope you have practiced all previous datetime functions. We will be using the same BTEC table. Make sure that you have this table in your system. Now, you might have seen that in certain bills, checks, it is written something like this. Dear Mr. XYZ, your bill amount is this. So, what happens? Like in case of our table, suppose you want to display that name is value from table and date of birth is again value from table. Like we have a table select star from BTEC and you want to display my name is and values. Now suppose if you try to write my name is comma name from BTEC. Now obviously some of you can guess this will give an error. Okay, because I have told you in Oracle there is only one place where you can use double quotes, that is column alias. So here you cannot use double quotes. You will have to use only single quotes. So what is the syntax? Select my name is comma second field name from BTEC. But what you can see, the answer will have a little bit of gap. And you want to display the date of birth also. So what you will type? You will type something like this. My name is name, comma, and DOB is DOB from BTEC. So what you can see, it is not so much of uh, professional or eye-catching. It is because every literal, this is called as literal, is converted into a column. So you can see there are 4 columns. Although your answer has come, my name is, but it is not giving a textual look. So if you want to give it a textual look, you may have to use concatenation. Let us see an example. Concatenation is used with the help of double pipe symbol. What you will type? Select my name is. Now you have to give a little bit of space, otherwise see what will happen. My name is double pipe name from BTEC. So you can see output had come, but there is no gap in this. So you have to give the gap here, not here. Okay. So let us try it again. Select my name is a little bit of gap and concatenation from BTEC. So what you can see is there is only one column and my name is Amit, Amitabh, Rohit, something like this is coming. Okay. Let us extend it further. You want to display and my date of birth is DOB from BTEC. Okay. Now what you can see, now it is more textual look having. Now as you can see, in previous case there were 4 columns, but in this case there is only one column. My name is Amitabh and my date of birth is something like this value is coming. The same thing happens in case of railway announcement, like you see in the display boards or when you hear from IVRS, like for the kind attention of the passengers train number. Till here the text is or the voice is fixed and the number is then generated from the server. Okay. So it can be done with, while using API in programs, and you can implement it in your projects also. That you can check out how it can be done. Now this is one type of example where you have concatenated multiple types of columns. Okay. Now, if you want to display different type of text along with column data, there are 2 3 options. Like you can display a number, you can display a text, and you can display function values, and they are called as literals in SQL. So there are different ways to use literals. We will see how they are used and how many types of they are. Let us go back to the table. Select star from BTech. Now, what you can use along with select is, suppose select. What will happen if I type select 1 from BTech? Any guesses? What will happen? Will it display column number 1, or it will display the first row, or what? Let us check the example, and for your surprise, the answer is this. Now, it is because 1 is a numeric literal. Now, numeric literal means you want to display a simple normal 1 value. Similarly, if you type select name from BTech, now what will happen? Please don't confuse this name with the column name. We have given it in quotes, therefore it is not a column now. So again, you can very well guess what will happen. It will display you like this. So and you might be remembering that why it is coming like this, because uh, the maximum size of the value is 4, and quotes represents character value, so it can display only 4 characters. So although the name is name, heading name, but it is displaying you NAM. Don't worry about it, you know very well why it is coming. Okay, so now the same thing when used with dual has a different kind of output. Now suppose if you type select 1 from dual, what will come? How many output will come? You can see only one output has come, because dual is a temporary table. It is not related to any values from the user table. Similarly, if you type select name from dual, what will happen? You can guess. Single value will be displayed. Now if you type select 2 plus 4 from dual, what will happen? You can guess. Heading will come 2 plus 4 and answer 6 will come. Okay, so this is a numeric literal, this is a string literal, this is a expression. Similarly, you can type select sysdate from dual. Okay, now so what you can give after select in case of dual, you can give a numeric literal, you can give a string literal, you can give a expression, you can give a function. And now what will be the answer of this? Let me guess. Select name from dual. Can you guess? Before typing it on the screen, just guess what will be the answer. I hope some of you might have guessed correctly. The answer will be error, because in dual there is no column named as name. So please remember that whenever you are not using quotes, in case of a textual variable, Oracle will assume it as a column if it is not a function or an expression or something else. So since name is a column of a table, but you are using it without quotes, so Oracle will treat as a column, but there is no column with the name dual in a dual table, therefore error has come. Okay, but if you type select name from BTech, it will work. Okay, so I hope that this portion is clear to you. We will come back in next video. Thank you.